مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة من حلقاتنا الأسبوعية رواد الأعمال. ومثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أن نستضيف رجلا مميز، ومن زاوية رجال الأعمال رحبوا معي بالمستر توسيف خان، الأونر لشركة سيتي تاور ريال استيت كومباني. بداية good afternoon Mr. توسيف.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Mr. Tosif, in the first, I want to meet you and let the viewers also know about your professional life when you came here to UAE. How did you start your own business?
First of all, thank you very much for your kind consideration.
Thank you.
And as a professional life, I am basically a civil engineer, and I came to Dubai 30 years before.
Wow.
And when I came to Dubai, I was very much fresh, and I came without anything in my hand. A very simple, basic, this suitcase, and come to Dubai and look for the future here in Dubai. So first few years, I worked as an engineer at construction sites, and then I realized we need to move on in life. We have so many things in Dubai to achieve. So after doing some experimental work, I started my own business.
Wow.
So
In the real estate.
in the first building products, building materials, and then later on building furnishing items, and end up in real estate business because it is related to my field, to my engineering. So that is what I meant for, and I ended up in real estate business also.
So now, Mr. Tosif, let us know and the viewers as well about your company, about the City Tower Real Estate. What's the exactly services you provide to UAE market?
Okay.
The special services.
Sure. See, real estate business is like it's a very basic rental business. We provide accommodation to all seekers who look forward for the one-bedroom studio or staff accommodation and commercial spaces for restaurants, hotels, and all that stuff now. So this leasing business we started in 1994, in the late 1994, and from there on we started from one building. Now today we have mashallah 100 plus buildings.
Wow.
And we have 7,000 plus tenant-based company, and all kind of tenants we have from upper middle class, lower middle class, staff, accommodation, studios, all those things we can.
In Dubai only or all
in Dubai, Sharjah and Ajman. At the moment,
Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman. Yes.
And we being little different from others, we try to support our tenants in all means, whatever their requirement is, because tenants are very important for us. We see to it they are comfortable in our stay, in our buildings, and we provide 24/7 maintenance to these people. And we give less headaches to the landlords. In fact, no headaches to the landlords. We take over all the responsibilities from the landlords. And Alhamdulillah, in the last 27 years, we are very comfortably managing this.
Of course, it's
our life actually passed here in Dubai, so it's very comfortably we are doing it.
Alhamdulillah.
And we are now changing from leasing business to ownership.
Wow.
Now we are developing some projects, and we already have developed some project, and we have made tenants to become owner for the property. And we are giving the first concept I introduced in Dubai as 10 years interest-free payment plan. And you just moved in the apartment and you pay in 10 years time the installments and without interest.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is where we come very different from others.
Yes, this is really the question that I want to ask you. What's the thing, the reason that make you and your company different than others? Because you know this UAE market, and especially here in Dubai,
Exactly.
a lot of companies they have real estate. So what's the thing make you special?
Definitely. Thank you very much for asking this question, because this is very important to introduce and to inform the people. See, a lot of people come to Dubai with the mindset they want to establish their career.
Yeah.
Once they establish their career, they want to establish their life in Dubai.
Exactly.
Because Alhamdulillah, may Allah bless rulers of Dubai, rulers of UAE, Emirat and all. Mashallah, they have given so much comfort to the people. Once anybody comes in this part of the world, they feel like this is the place where they want to live. This is yani Jannah, yani heaven on earth. So once they establish themselves, they don't feel like going back to their own native countries. Everybody want to live here, earn here and enjoy the life here, and then later on when they feel it is really comfortable, then they want to build their career in terms of owning the ownership of the property. So this dream we have brought it to make it as a reality. In terms of we make you feel that you pay in very smaller amount as per your capacity, and you own the apartment after some time. I don't know whether if you have time or no, I can explain to you in a very brief manner. Suppose if you want to, if you're living in a one-bedroom apartment, and tomorrow you want to own this apartment. So I want you to become owner of this apartment if you live in my properties.
Good. So you will help from your side.
100%. Yeah. Like I believe like you have come here, you have worked very hard to own something. It is your hard-earned money. It's not somebody you are shaking the tree and the money is coming to you.
Of course.
So that way I have seen in all this tenure, so many people come to Dubai, they invested and the developer have run away and they have cheated them or some problem happened and all. So there are so many good people and bad people also. You know? So the government gives us so much option to the people to do the best of their capabilities, but some people are very greedy. So they took people's money and they did not build the project and they moved on developing, investing here and there. So that way the people lost the money and hard-earned money. So all this my tenure, I just kept quiet and I watched the people. And I decided, inshallah, the day I will launch my project, I will build it and I will sell it. So I will sell it in reality, not the dream, you know. So I told people, you buy the project with me, buy the unit with me, and pay your 40% till you move in. After you move in, you pay 60% in 10 years' time without interest. Now,
without interest?
Now, I tell you one more advantage. We guarantee your 60% also. Like suppose you as my tenant, if you buy the property, if tomorrow, God forbid, you lose your job, so you cannot pay my installment. So what I said to you, don't worry, I take the unit from you and I will rent it out because I have a very, mashallah, large organization who is expert in the leasing business. So I will rent it out on your behalf and I will cover your EMI and I will guarantee your installment, and after 10 years time, your property will be paid back to you.
Oh my God! This is the first time I hear this.
You will not lose your deposit of 40%. And your hard-earned money is secure.
Secure. Yeah. This is really, Mr. Tosif, the first time I hear this point.
Concept.
Exactly. Really, I never saw it in the real estate.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that people who buy, they should not lose. My point is, I don't want anybody's hard-earned money to be wasted.
Because see, all of the people they will pay. If they buy or they didn't buy, they will pay.
They will pay,
every month they will pay the rent.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah?
So you pay for your own. You own this.
Own property. Yes. You pay it and you become owner of this property.
Yes, inshallah. I hope the viewers got your point. Inshallah. And they will contact here with your company. Now, Mr. Tosif, you know that the future in front of you, and you started from zero until now, mashallah, you have a good level, and inshallah from our side we hope for you to grow more and more and to be in the high level. You deserve to be success in your life. So what's your plan in the future as a businessman?
See, again I'm telling you, in continuation of what I was talking to you, very soon we are coming up very huge project. Again, it's a real project, a ready project. Tomorrow you can move in. And I'm coming up a very, very different concept to make sure that you become the owner of this property. And you will see, inshallah, very different. In the name of, I want to inform all my viewers, it is in the name of City Properties, and we will launch a very exclusive project and make sure that you be ready for this thing to hear about it. And this is going to be a very game changer in the market. So inshallah you will hear very soon about it.
Inshallah.
I don't want to talk about this thing now, but be ready to see city properties.
We hope.
All
We hope.
TVs, all roads,
We
all
hope.
radios,
We hope.
everywhere you will hear.
We
about
will
it.
be proud, really.
Inshallah.
Really, inshallah. So now, also, I want you to tell the viewers where we are now in Dubai. And from our side, the contacts will be down of our screen.
Right. We are very much located, very much located in Imar Square downtown, which is next to Burj Khalifa, and it's a very prime location. And as of today, we are here, but we are expanding our business in Business Bay again. One full floor we have taken. Inshallah, by end of this year, we'll be shifting over there. But at the moment, we are Imar Square downtown, building number 4, office 206, City Tower Real Estate at the moment, and City Properties.
Yes, very good. So, my dear viewers, the contact number with the email and the website, it will be down of our screen. So now, Mr. Tosif, you know that we are living here in UAE country, the first country in the world had the safety and security, had the happiness, had the investment. So we have this one, it's not coming easy.
Right.
So we have to thank the leaders of UAE and the rulers about what they've given us.
Exactly.
We will start from City Tower and from Mr. Tosif as a person.
Thank you. Trust me, for the rulers of Dubai and Abu Dhabi and whole Emirates, if I start talking about them now to next year also, it will be less, because there is no comparison about these mashallah leaders we have. We are blessed to have this kind of leaders, mashallah. It is like, you can say, the parents who love their children a lot.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
These mashallah rulers, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, His Highness Mohammed bin Zayed, they are mashallah forefathers of our family in Dubai. We are
Exactly.
their family.
100%.
The way they have taken care of Emirati expatriates, and all the people in Dubai and Abu Dhabi and whole Emirates, and nowhere in the world people we can be taken care like this. They have set the example for others, which is very difficult for achieving. So we are highly thankful to our rulers. We are really blessed to have them, and may Allah bless them. May Allah give them life. May Allah keep on giving them ideas which they implement in this country, which benefit to us only.
Of course. And from our side, from our channel as well, we will thank our leaders and our presidents about what they've given us. And we will thank you also, Mr. Tosif, to accept us here in your special company.
My pleasure.
Inshallah, we will see you for all of the Gulf, not only here in UAE. And I'm sure I will see you because you are a good
Thank you very much.
Really.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
This again, as I am just missing something, as a city properties, inshallah, I'm trying my best to give something back to the country which I love, which I belong, and where I want to live and die. My whole family, my whole khandan, my whole relatives, friends, everybody is here, and I'm trying to do my best in terms of giving back to the community. So I'm building reality, and inshallah I'm delivering to make sure the owners, the people who want to buy the property in Dubai, they are happy, they feel proud for this thing.
Inshallah.
So that will be my give back to the country. Inshallah.
Of course. Thank you, Mr. for this opportunity.
No problem.
And really, I hope the viewers will contact here, and I will thank you again for your time.
Thank you. Most
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا كل جمعة وسبت على قناتكم وعلى السوشيال ميديا. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.
Thank you.